Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt for you.
It's a little baby t-shirt.
Little baby toddler tee. Is that a two-tee? Wonderful little tricolor with better black. Wonderful, wonderful tie-dye. Got it outside here with the cool water. Nice, beautiful day. Birds chirping.
Let's take her inside.
To the inside?
To the inside.
Let's go. Get it unbanded.
Cute.
Let's do it, yeah. Nice. That was pretty awesome. Wow.
This one's for our daughter.
Yeah,
So
that's
she
pretty
could
cute.
get one of them.
Got a nice green, good gradient to it. Oh yeah. Nice.
It's gonna look great.
Off the backboard. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay, I think that looks pretty cool. Look at it up against the darker colored fence. Look at that, how it's got that cool, almost spine-like pattern down the middle, all the way to the nice black on the sleeves. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful pastel tricolor. Oh yeah, nice range of greens and blues and turquoise, all sorts of wonderful colors in there. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but man, does this thing look awesome in person. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.